Hello, today I'm going to make a fall card using the quilted scoring technique. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my piece of very vanilla cardstock and I'm going to use my Simply Scored to score a pattern on the cardstock. I'm going to do about every 3/4 of an inch. Three, 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to turn it and do 3/4 of an inch the other way. As you can see, this leaves like a scored pattern. Now we're going to stamp right on this, and it's going to leave a cool look. I'm using the Rooted in Nature stamp set, and we're going to be using these two leaves and the "You Are Wonderful" sentiment. The colors I'm using are Mango Melody, Pumpkin Pie, Mossy Meadow, and Cherry Cobbler. So first I'm going to do my largest leaf in the Mango Melody. I'm just going to kind of randomly stamp it around. Clean that off. And then I'm also going to do the large leaf in the Mossy Meadow, but I don't want a whole lot of it. Okay, then the smaller leaf we're going to do in the Cherry Cobbler, and it's a little dark for what I wanted, so I'm going to stamp it off first and then stamp it on here. Stamp it off first and then stamp it on here. Okay, and then also the small leaf we're going to do in Pumpkin Pie. I think I want a little bit more of the green. Put it there. Bit right here. I think it looks pretty good. You can see how the stamp image didn't go all the way down into the indentation that's made by the scoring. Then I am going to ink the edge of this with the Mossy Meadow, and what I'm going to do, I just kind of tap. If it's a foam, just tap it on the edge of the cardstock, and it just gives the slightest little edge of color along there. Then I'm going to stamp my sentiment in the green Mossy Meadow. I'm going to trim it down to a little bit closer size. If you like having your cardstock trimmed ahead of time, it is 1 1/4 by 2 1/2. Is a size. And now we're going to do the gluing together. I always usually make my mats 1/4 inch longer on each side, and that gives you a 1/8 inch border. I'm going to glue this one onto Mango Melody. And put it on a cherry cobbler base. I think that looks pretty good. And then this I'm going to put on dimensionals. Okay. And then I'm going to glue it to a neutral card base. I like the liquid glue because sometimes you can still wiggle it around a little. And